Students, welcome to our next class, that is chapter number 7 indices. All of you are familiar with this. This is exponential form. Bases. When bases are same and they multiply each other, powers will add. When bases are same, if they divide with each other, powers will subtract. This is power law. One power inside, one power outside. In that case, powers will multiply. And anything raised to power 0, that is equal to 1. And here you can see x power a is in the numerator. When you will take it into the denominator, the sign of power will change. Means when you will change position of the base, okay, sign of the power will change. Yes students, first question, fifth part. You can see all the powers are fraction, clear, and our first step is to remove the fraction. We have to change the fractional power into simple powers. Look children, 16 over 81. Can I write it 2 by 3 raised to the power 4? Because 2 power 4 is 16 and 3 power 4 is 81. Clear? Same way, 49 over 9 can be written as 7 over 3 power 2. Outside the power is 3 by 2. Divide by 343 is 7 cube and 216 is 6 cube. So I wrote 7 by 6 whole cube. Now, when you will multiply, this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled with this. 4 will get cancelled with this. Pay attention students. Here the power is negative. Clear? In order to make it positive, I told you change the position of base. Here what is written? 2 by 3 and I wrote 3 by 2 and negative sign is removed. Multiply 7 by 3 raised to the power 3. Divide by 7 by 6 raised to the power 2. Now you can expand them. Okay. Then after this division sign will change to multiplication and you have to reciprocate the term and do the cuttings. This will be the answer. Look children, question number 2. You can see in question number 2, this is first part of question number 2. I can write this term as 8x cube. Divide means upon. It can be written raised to the power 2 by 3. Look children, 2x power 3, 8 can be written as 2 power 3. X is already cube. And we can write 8 as 2 cube. Same way 125 can be written as 5 cube and this is already cube. So see how I wrote the term 8, x was already in cube terms, 8 I wrote 2 cube, 125 5 cube and y is already in the cube form. So we can write whole cube. Now 3 and 3 will get cancelled and you can expand it. 2 square is 4, then x square, 5 square is 25 and then y square. Very important question children. This is the next problem. Whole raised to the power minus 1. How we can write? Take it to the denominator. Into a power minus 1. How we can write? 1 over a plus b power minus 1 can be written 1 over b. 1 over a plus b as it is and inside you take LCM and here you will get b plus a. So this and this term will get cancelled and this is your answer. Very important question children. See. In the denominator, I can take 5 power n common, which I have taken and inside you are left with 9 minus 4. So how to solve this kind of problem? 5 power n plus 3 can be written as 5 power n multiply 5 power 3. Why? When same bases multiply, powers will add. It will become n power 5 power n plus 3, same. So this term can be written in this form, minus 6 into how we can write 5 power n multiply 5 power 1. Why we did so? Because now we can take 5 power n common. So if you will take 5 power n common, here you are left with 5 cube, that is 125, here 30. Now this term will get cancelled. Your answer is 95 by 5, 19. Third question students. Root of 1 over 4 is 1 by 2 plus how we can write this term? 1 by 100 raised to the power minus 1 by 2 minus, in order to cancel this fraction, 3 power 3, it can be written and 3 will get cancelled. Look children, 1 by 2 plus 1 over 100 can be written as 1 by 10 square, but I took it to the numerator, so sign will change negative. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You are left with 1 by 2, 10 power minus will be plus 1. So it will be 10 only, minus 9. Then you can solve, answer is 3 by 2. Yes students. This is power of this term also, power of this term, and you know 1 power in, 1 out, they will multiply. Clear? Now cancel out what you can cancel. Here you are left with 3 power minus 1, here you are left with 3 power minus 2. powers are negative, so better to change the position. If you take 2 power 2 in the numerator will become positive and take it in the denominator, answer is 4 by 3. You can write it in mixed fraction. Very important question. You know bracket, board mass, you know order of the removal of bracket. First we have to solve simple bracket. So what is the sign of this term? Minus 1. So see children, as it is, as it is, as it is. Power is minus 1. How it will be written? 1 over 1 minus n. Then rest of the terms as it is. Now we need to solve curly bracket. So how we can solve these two terms? By taking LCM. 1 minus, if you will take LCM, 1 minus n is LCM. When you multiply it with 1, 1 minus n, and here minus 1. Rest of the term as it is. 1 and 1 will get cancelled. What you are left with? 1 minus, here what you are left with? Minus n over 1 minus n raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to power minus 1. Come to the next step children. 1 minus, look here, what was the power? Negative. So I am going to reciprocate the term. What I did? 1 minus n I took into the numerator and minus n is taken in the denominator. Now see children, minus minus will become plus. So you are left with this term. Curly bracket is also solved. Again you take LCM. When you will take LCM, whole raised to the power minus n and n will get cancelled. You are left with 1 over n raised to power minus 1. The answer is n. Next question children. You are asked to find the value of A, B, C. So how to do these kind of problems? Find prime factors of 1960, which I found over here. You can see. How we can write 1960? 2 power 3, 5, 1 and 7 2 times, 7 power 2. Now compare. What is A? 2 power 3, that is 3. B is 5 power, that is 1. C is 7 power, that is 2. After that, you are asked to find the value of this term. Now you got the value of A, B and C. Put the values here. 2 power minus 3 can be taken in the denominator. 2 power 3 is 8 because negative power is there. 7 we will keep here only. Again negative power, take it here. So after solving, this will be the answer. Seventh question, very important children. See what I did. I can write 27 as 3 power 3. Outside the power is n plus 1 plus 9 into, separate the powers, 3 power n into 3 power minus 1 over 8 into 3 power 3n minus 5 as it is. 27 how we can write? 3 power 3, outside the power is n. Now look children, 3 multiplied, 27 can be written as 3 power 3 and that power will multiply with both the term. 3 when you will multiply with n will become 3n. When you multiply it with 1 it will become plus 3 plus 9 into, separate the powers. Same way here also we will separate the powers. Now after doing so, what we'll do children, we can take 3 power n common from numerator also as well as denominator also. It will get cancelled. Here what you are left with, 3 power 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81 plus here children 9 multiply 1 over 3, 3 and 9 will get cancelled, that will be 3 upon 8 minus 5 is 3. Then you will solve, this will be your answer. Very important question children. You are asked to prove that this term is equal to 1. Now look here, same basis, they divide each other and the power will subtract. So how it we'll write it? A power m minus minus n. So minus minus will make it plus. So inside what you will get? A power m plus n, outside same power. Same here, a power n minus minus l will make it n plus l, outside same power, you can see. Now children, when these powers will multiply and you can see that they are satisfying the identity a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, multiply same identity a square minus b square, same here. Clear? Now same basis multiplying each other, all the powers we have to add and you can see m square positive, m square negative, all the powers will cancel with each other. You are left with a power 0, that is equal to 1 and anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1, hence proof. Children, 10th question, second part. Now I'll solve it in parts. So first term is this. Let me solve this term first. Same basis, divide each other. How will write a over minus b? A minus b will be a plus b and outside same. Now let us multiply the term. A into a square, a cube. A into ab, a square b. A into b square, ab square. Now b will multiply with all the terms. B into a square b. B into this term, ab square. B into b square, b cube. Now we can see this term will get cancelled with this and this term will get cancelled with this. We are left with this term. Now second part of the question, how we can write this? It will be x power b plus c. Outside the power is same. Same way we will multiply. First b will multiply with all the terms, then c will multiply with all the terms. You will get this, and the terms which can be cancelled, that will cancel, and we are left with x power b cube plus c cube. In the same way, third part children, when you will solve, you will get x power c cube plus a cube. Now according to question, this part is multiplying with this part is multiplying with this part. So the final answers also I will multiply x power from first equation multiply by second equation multiply by third equation. So all bases are same, they are multiplying each other, powers will add. A cube plus a cube, 2a cube, b cube, 2b cube. So here only I have taken 2 common, so this is your answer. Yes, exercise B children, this is the question. So this is 2 is base, 2 is base. 4 can be written as 2 power 2. Now all the bases are same. 2 power, same bases multiply each other, we will add up the powers. Now look here, both the bases are same, equality sign is there, so powers will also be same. So from here you can find the value of x. Fourth part of this question children, this base is 7, so let's make all the bases as 7 only. 49 can be written as 7 square. 343 can be written as 7 power 3. Multiply. 2x, 4 2s are 8. 7 power 2, they are multiplying, powers will add. 3x plus 3. Now you can compare, bases are same, equality sign, powers will be same. So this will be your answer. Thank you.